Good morning, dear students. Today I shall continue the same act. Act second, scene first. Line number 23. But before starting the speech of Morocco from line number 23, I shall take from Porcia's speech. See from here, page number 45, Porcia's speech. Porcia says, after hearing the words spoken by Prince of Morocco, Porcia says, in terms of choice, I am not solely led by nice direction of a maiden's eye. In terms of choice, as regards the conditions of choice. As regards the conditions of choice, I am not solely led, means I am not entirely influenced by the attractive looks which please a maiden's eyes. Porcia says, Prince of Morocco, O my noble prince, Prince of Morocco, my condition is different from other girls. My fate is, my marriage is dependent on the lottery of caskets. The person who will choose the right casket, that person will become my future husband. My condition is not like other girls who choose according to her desire. I am not free. Besides, the lottery of my destiny bars me the right of wallet. See, sage, Prince of Morocco, the fact that my fate depends on luck. In the casket hall, there are 3 caskets, gold, silver and lead. I am locked in one of them. The person who will choose the right casket and show me my farm, my photograph, my replica, that person will become my future husband. That person will become the Lord of Valmont. The lottery of my destiny means the fact that my fate depends on luck. Bars means it stops me. Bars means obstacle, hindrance, difficulty, barrier, obstruction, impediment. Means the lottery of casket created an obstacle in the path of my free choosing. In the path of my free choosing of a husband, my condition is different, Prince of Morocco. But if my father had not scanted me, means deprived me of my free choice. If my father had not scanted me, if my father had not deprived me of a free choice and hazed me by his wit, wit means wisdom, hazed means bound, and bound me by his wisdom to yield myself his wife, who wins me, by that means I told you, I shall also be free to accept anyone whom I like, but I am not free. My condition is different and my fate is dependent on the lottery of casket, Prince of Morocco. If I shall be free to choose a husband like other girls, yourself renowned prince, then he stood as fair. You are the handsome person. Renowned prince, yourself renowned prince, then he stood as fair as any comer I have looked on yet for my affection. For my love, Prince of Morocco, I think you are the good person, you are the fair-skinned person for my love, for my affection. Yourself renowned prince, then stood as fair as any comer. Okay, you would stand as high in my estimation as any of the other suitors I have seen so far. You are the most fair-skinned person in my opinion. In the beginning, you said, do not dislike me for my complexion. Okay, Morocco, even for that, I thank you. For saying such kind of thing, Lady Portia, I thank you. I thank you for having high estimation for me, for having such a good opinion for me. Therefore I pray you, therefore I request you, I beseech you, I implore you, I beg you, Lady Portia, lead me to the caskets to try my fortune. I am very eager to know what is in store, what is in my fortune. Let me take to the casket hall where I shall choose the casket and try to find out what is in my future. By this scimitar, a kind of curved sword, Prince of Morocco showed a curved sword to Portia. He says, by this scimitar, by this curved sword that slew, that killed the Sophie, the emperor of Persia, and a Persian prince that won three fields means 3 battles of Sultan Solomon against Sultan Suleiman, the magnificent Turkish Sultan, continuously at war with Persia. Means with this small curved sword, I defeated the Sophie. I defeated a Persian prince who defeated Suleiman. I would outstare the sternest eyes that look. I would look defiantly into the eyes that are very bold and courageous. Lady Portia, I am very brave and courageous. I have the courage. I would look defiantly. I would look bravely into the eyes that are very bold and courageous. Outbrave the herd, most daring on the earth. I would defy the most daring herd on earth. Pluck the young sucking cubs from the sea bear. Pluck the young sucking cubs from the sea bear. I have the courage to remove the young one of a sea bear while it was sucking its mother. Yea, mock the lion. I have the courage to challenge the lion. Mock the lion. I have the courage to challenge the lion when he roars for prey to win the lady. But alas the while, if Hercules and Lichas play at dice to win the lady, he roars for prey. I challenge the lion when he roars for play. When he roars for play to win the lady. To win your heart, I am ready to challenge a lion. But alas the while, alas Prince of Morocco's eyes. If Hercules and Lichas play at dice, which is the better man? If Hercules was the Superman of Greek mythology and Lichas was his servant, may turn by fortune for the weakest hand. Okay. Hercules was the Superman of Greek mythology and Lichas was his servant. Both play a game of dice to find out who is the better man. The greater so may turn by fortune from the weaker hand. The greater means the winning throw may come by chance. By chance means turn by fortune from the hand of the weakest man, from the hand of the servant. And so is Alcides beaten by his page. And so Alcide, another name of Hercules, beaten by his page means his servant. And so may I, blind fortune leading me, and my condition is the same. Lady Portia, my condition is also the same. Goddess Fortune, who was depicted as blindfolded, a symbol of the unaccountable variations in her dispensations to mankind. Miss that which one unworthier may attain, means the unworthier person will attain a lot of things and die with grieving. So, if I have only blind fortune to lead me, I may miss that which one less worthy may gain, and then I would die of grief. Portia, you must take your chance. You must take your chance, Prince of Morocco. You can take your chance and either not attempt to choose at all. And either not attempt to choose at all. And you are free. If you do not want to choose, you can go back from here or swear before you choose. But if you want to choose, you have to take an oath. If you choose wrong, make it a point. If you choose wrong, never to speak to a lady afterwards. Never to speak to any lady afterwards in the way of, means on the subject of marriage. Therefore, be advised, be warned. You are warned that if you will choose the wrong casket, you will not present yourself in such a way to any lady that you want to marry her. Morocco, nor will not, double negative is used for emphasis. I will never ask anyone else to marry me. Make it a point, Lady Portia, I will not ask anyone else to marry me. Portia, first forward to the temple. Let us go forward towards the temple. Temple, the private chapel where oath is to be taken. The word temple is used here as it is more likely to be understood by Morocco and perhaps more agreeable to him. First, forward to the temple. After dinner, your hazard shall be met. After dinner, your gamble, hazard means gamble, your risk shall be made. If the risk shall be made before dinner, and if Prince of Morocco choose the wrong casket, he will not go to take dinner. First, Portia took him to the dinner hall. There he took dinner, and after taking dinner, he directly went to the casket hall. Morocco, good fortune then fortune will support me, I hope, to make me blessed or cursed among men. It will be decided by fortune that I will be the blessed one or the most cursed one. Thank you.